Why don't they just write your mom? Ha! Dab. A mechanic. Let's see where I should go now. I should go this way. My tire is unevenly torn. Wear, that's what it's called. The wear and tear on the tire might be uneven because I'm on tracks and I'm on this type of gear. I've only been on a track once, so I'm not gonna say I'm some like track rider pro, because that would be very false statement by yours truly. So I'm not gonna make that statement. That's a cool bike. It was like a quad bike without the engine. You know, the wheels was the engine. Oh, damn, that was a big yawn. Let's see if I can jump this speed bump. Wow, I couldn't. Probably because I didn't have enough speed. Brace yourself. That's what you gotta do when going over bumps like that. You have to brace yourself and be prepared for extreme pain. I'm pretty sure I can't feel my thumb right now. That's how cold it is. Because, you know, my left hand, I can keep it here where it's warm and cozy, but my right hand, I can't really do that. If I had cruise control, I would be able to, but I don't have cruise control, which is a shame, because that could be quite a useful tool every now and then. But first, let me take a little detour. Ford tractor wide load. Why don't they just write your mom? Ha! Dab. Another Tesla. That used to be a gym, and I used to work out there, but now I have no idea what it is anymore. Something completely different, that's for sure. They've extended this road by a lot and built a lot of stuff here. Does this road lead anywhere now? No, still doesn't. Oh shit. I didn't turn enough. I remember when I had a moped, I used to go out back there. There was some cool place. That's a cool car. Yeah. And I can't keep my attention on something for more than 5 seconds. That's a big ass boat. A mechanic. He's a mechanic. A quick acceleration. That guy was drinking beer. It's an early start to the Saturday. 4 o'clock, I think. That clock right there is correct. I think it's 4 o'clock right now. That's pretty early, right? For some reason I thought for a second that I was in my car and I was about to hit the cruise control button. Because I always do that here, I think, you know, on this road. So for some reason I thought I was in my car, which is very silly of me, because this does not resemble a car at all. The only resemblance is that there are tires, you know, that you can see. If you dig deeper, there's a lot of resemblance, and yeah, like an engine. There's a fuel tank. Speaking of fuel tank, I was supposed to fill her up with some fuel today, because I always do that the last ride of the year to, you know, keep the tank in good condition. But today I forgot it, which is very silly. I have some gas at home. Maybe I can fill it up with that if I need to.